So good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about of logo software in automation lab. Maximum number of experiment we are going to do in the simulation, right? So today I am going to explain about the PLC programs. So that PLC programs we are going to use the logo software LOGO. So it is a free version. Hope it is visible now, right? So logo VS software. So you can download from the Google. Before next class, you just download the software in your laptop. Okay. Go to the file menu, give the new option. So in the PLC program, you can able to do either in the functional block diagram. Normally they call this a FBD and ladder diagram, LAD and UDF diagram. Okay. So these three things, there is a slides we can able to use to making your PLC program. But I am going to make not only myself or maximum number of the students, they are giving the more preference to the ladder logic diagram. Okay, because it is very easy and easily we can able to learn and uh, for that purpose only we are going for your ladder logic diagram. Okay, so using this ladder logic program, you can able to make like this program. That is the initial stage. I will explain you. That is a for your logic gates. In the syllabus also, I gave like that only. And gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. These three gates are logic. There is basic gates. Okay. So based on that, I will explain you the two circuits now in this particular software. Okay. What is the software name? What is the software name?
Logo,
Logo.
sir, logo.
Logo software. Okay. All right. Go to the file menu, give the new option ladder diagram. Okay. Now, so vertical column is coming now. This is they called as your power rail. Okay. So in the there is PLC program, we have two vertical line. Why they call this is ladder diagram means you hope you seen your ladder in your home. Okay, so this diagram it's look like your ladder. That's why they are saying this is your ladder logic diagram. Okay, so PLC is nothing but programmable logical control. So here that is logical functions we are going to use, right? So two vertical lines is available here. Like this vertical line is available in this side also. Okay, so that vertical line is they called as power rail. Okay, so here we have the options. uh, Before we start this, I will explain you the this is connected. Okay, so you are going to make that is take a context from here to here. Simply if you are tracking means you can able to get this symbols here. Okay, so normally open contact, I need to make a program means simply just track from this side to your program side. Okay, so it is asking whether this is your input one or input two. N number of inputs we can able to give in a single program. Okay, so now I'm now only I started, so I'm going to give as a input one. Okay, right? So I'm going to give the name of input one, but we have to fix in the center of the portion. So so that we can able to connect from your power rail to your component. Okay, so how you will connect using this connector? Okay, so using this connector, I'm going to connect from here to here. It's look like in the blue color means your connection is perfect. If it is in the red color button means that is there is a mistake in your program. Okay, so break contact is available. So these two ways normally we are going to take it as your input purpose. We are going to take your break contact and make contact. Okay, so output is your relay coil. This symbol is for your output. This is for your output. Okay, input is normally in our syllabus wise, if you have seen means see already I taken as input one. If I gave another time input one means it will get confused, so we won't get the output. Okay, so for that purpose I'm going to click the input 2. The second breaking contact is your input 2, that is I2 is your input 2. Okay, Q1 is your output. Okay, right? So like this simply you can able to track from here to here. to make your program. Okay, right. A minute. Okay. So here the basic gates, programmable logical control. Okay, so the logic sequence are they are given here, the basic circuits, and or and not gate. Okay, so for AND gate, how many inputs? AND gate, how many inputs? Hello. For AND gate, how many inputs are there?
Uh, two,
Two inputs, how many output?
one output.
One output, sir.
Only one output. One output. Okay. So for AND gate, I have two inputs. The inputs are I'm going to take, that is A and B. Okay. So input is two inputs and only one output. Maybe you can able to take it as Y, or there is C. Anything you can able to take it as the output. Okay. So input, two input is 00011011. Like that they are taken the input. Okay. So 00100111. Please understand
Okay.
clearly. Based on this truth table only we are going to make a program. Okay, first I am going to
Okay.
explain your AND gate. Okay, so condition is 00101111. Right, so the thing is easily you can do both inputs are on that time the output also we are getting energized. Okay, so this is the concept for your AND gate. Now I am going to make a program in your software. Very easy software. uh, Easily you can able to understand. So this is input 2, right? So how will connect this all the parts here using this connector? Just join from here to here and here to here. Now we are connected. Okay. So how many inputs are available here? Two input and only one output. Okay. So as of our AND gate logic, both the inputs are on that time it has to energize, right? So now I make it as a program. It's look like one program only, right? Because two inputs and one output, right? Let's see whether it is working or not. We will start the simulation. So it's showing your simulation. You can able to use your F3 key also to make your simulation. Now I'm going to click in this particular option, simulation, right? Please look at the bottom of the page, slides. It's having that is I1 and I2. What is I1 and I2?
Two input.
Two input.
Input, input one,
Input.
input one and two, right? So we have one output, that is Q1. Here they are giving the output devices your light. Okay, so instead of this, you can able to fix this your for simulation purpose. I am making as a light. You can able to use your motor or any other devices also. That is your wish. Okay, so now uh, initially it is in 0 0 condition. Okay, so I1 also 0, I2 also 0. 0 0. What is the output? 0. Okay, now I am going to on. The first input is 1, second input is 0. On that time also what you are getting as the output? 0. Let's see, 1 0 also output is 0. Now I am going to on 0 1. On that time also it is not energized. Okay, 0 1 also we are getting a output is 0, right? So next one is I'm going to on both the inputs are 1 1. Okay, so on that time what I am getting, the output also 1. Okay, check it on here, 1 1, output also 1. Okay, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Right, fine. If now I will explain you the OR gate. Okay, only two gates they are asking in the manual, right? So already I gave one two inputs. In the new slide also you can able to make other program, or else in the same program, same slide. I mean sheet also you can able to make it as your next program. Okay, that is your wish, but you should clear about the inputs and output. Okay, now I am giving the input three here, and input 4 I'm going to give, right? Next one is it, it is overlapping this, so we have to track like this and then give the connection. Okay, so hope you understand why I am giving the q2 value here. One is there, okay, that's why I'm changing the name of your q2, right? So now I'm going to connecting these symbols here. If it is any error is there, means it won't work. Okay, even we cannot able to connect like this, right? So it is very difficult if you are connecting the symbol here, it won't connect. Okay, so that is biggest task. So clearly just listen. I'm going to connect this edge to your output this corner, so that automatically it is going to connect it for the first time. Even I learned on that time period, I am taking much more time to connecting this particular portion. Okay, so easily you can able to connect from this to your output directly. First you have to connect that one and then connect it with your i3 and your q2. Okay, so this is based on your or gate. I'm going to explain this circuit. Okay, can you able to tell me any one of you for the formula for your AND gate and OR gate? For OR gate, what is the formula? Hope you know
Sir,
very well.
A
That is
plus B.
super. Very good, man.
A
For OR
plus
gate
B.
also we have very good, very good, very good. Thank you. For OR gate also we have two inputs and one output. So the same inputs we are going to take here also 00, 10, 01, 11. Okay, this is your input and output is we are going to get based on that formula or else rules. Okay, so let's see whether it is working under this condition or not. Okay, the condition is satisfied means they will give full mark. If it is not satisfied means they will reduce the mark. Okay, so right, so input i3 and i4, let's check it on the simulation. So based on the condition what they said, as of our friend said, the formula is a plus b. So 00 means we are getting the output is 0, 10 means the output is we are getting 1, 01 means the output is getting 1, 11 also we are getting output 1. Okay, so the three cases it has to blink, right? That means yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now in the single sheet itself we are making there is a two diagram, right? That's why I'm getting the additional inputs here, but I am going to explain your OR gate, so I have to concentrate on your i3 and i4. Okay, i3 i4 is for OR gate, I am making an input, and q2 is your OR gate output. Okay, so now 00, what is the output? We have to check with your OR gate. 00 means output also 0. 10, let's check it on. 10 means what is the answer you have to get?
1.
1.
1.
Let's, it is working. 10 means it is blinking. Okay, so the option is, I mean, your circuit is right. Okay, so 01 also it has to work. So this is 0 and this one is 1. It is working, right? And 11 also we are getting 1,
1.
right? Right. So 11 also it is working. So as of here syllabus, they are asking the AND gate and OR gate only. Very simple. You can able to make your own, right? So here additional things also they are given. If you are taking, there is automatic bottle filling equipments are there, right? So on that time, if you want to use any of the timer and counter, okay, so timer we can able to track like this and you can able to connect it with your input devices and output devices. Okay, and also you can able to modify the timing. Okay, on time delay means after 5 seconds the motor or else just imagine the CNC machine. Okay, so in the CNC machine as before starting the spindle, the or else in the grinding operation, okay, the coolant has to start before 5 minutes. Okay, like that condition we can able to give in this particular program. Okay, so on time and off time delay time also available here. So using this, if you are clicking here, we can able to change your timing also. Okay, so how much second also and all we have to delay connection. So 4 second I'm giving here, right? So like that timer also there. So based on your I mean counter also there. Up counter, down counter. Normally they are using, right? I'm giving the overview of this software. Okay. Selva Babu sir will explain you clearly there is each and every program in a separate classes, right? And right. Okay. So here the counter is available. As I said earlier, that is we have two types of counter. One is your up counter, another one is your down counter. Okay. So up counter means your 0 to 100. It can able to count. For example, in the bottle filling equipment. Okay. How many bottles are trapped in that particular proximity sensor? Okay. So that we can able to count using that sensor. Okay. So 0 to 100, right? So down counter also available. So initially we have to fix with that count that is 100. So it keep on reducing. Once the bottle is crashed on that time it is going to be reduced. That is comes under your uh, down counter. Up counter is there, down counter is there. Which one is needed for you? You can able to modify if you are clicking the double click here. Okay. So commands also we can able to give, and on off timing also they are given here. So name also separately we can able to give here. Okay. So this is one software. Software name is Logo Soft Comfort Demo version. Okay. So Logo software. Keep remember this Logo software. Please download in your laptop. Okay. So it is a free version. We go
Okay.
for the next one. We go for the next
Yes,
one.
sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I don't want to save this. Fine. Mm, fine. Okay. Next one is please look at this uh, AutoSim software. Okay. This is AutoSim software. So two things are available. One is we are going to make using the PLC program of the portion, and remaining things you have to make a hydraulics and pneumatic circuits. Okay. It is also trial version. So AutoSim software trial version ASI. Please note it down. So after completion of the class, you just download in the what is that in your laptop. Okay. Right. So here in using this software, you can able to make your what is that circuits. Okay, hydraulic circuit, pneumatic circuit, as well as your electrical conductor circuit also. Electrical circuit also we can able to make here. Okay. If you are looking here, whatever we discussed in the previous software. Okay. So the normally open symbol, normally closed symbol is available here, and here electrical conduct they are given like motor symbol also available, and what is it, right? So these are all the electrical output symbols and electrical symbols. Mm, everything they are given, but as of our syllabus we have only the uh, your hydraulics and pneumatic circuits. Okay. So now I will give small demonstration based on this. I'm going to pick okay, file menu. I think it is not required here. Simply if you are tracking means the same procedure. If you are tracking means you can able to get the option here, right? So suppose I want the spring. It's in the piston we have the spring inside. No, I want to change this in the anything in this particular way means you can able to modify like this. Just click this option, and which is required for you. Just change in that particular order. Okay. This piston also. Uh, Hope you seen the screen how it is modified, right? So based on our
Yes, sir.
requirement, we can able to modify. Okay, right? Okay, if you are giving okay option, right? So this is your piston, and we have the control valves. Uh, control valves. This one. Sometimes automatically it is selected for 2 or 3 symbols means we cannot able to track. So carefully you just look at that. Now wait, we are connected here. Okay, then so I'm giving the simple circuit. Let's check it on whether it is working or not. Okay, so the simulation normally there is if you are making one circuit, okay, so as per the concepts also we can able to make a circuit, that is your wish. Later on you just try that also. Okay, we will try. First one is your tank, next one is your pump, and if it is necessary you are going to take it as your pressure relief wall, and then we are going to connect it with your DC wall. After that only we can able to connect with your piston, right? So this is the basic thing, right? So if it is necessary you can able to make that as also. Okay, so the tank symbols and all available. So and line, this is your link. Okay, for connecting the link dotted line is required, you can able to pick like this, and colors also available here. So based on our requirement you can able to choose any of the link line here. Either center line means you have to make like this, your wish, right? So in the pneumatic system means you are going to use the wall and symbols here, and direction control wall. So they are given very limited direction control wall here. So by clicking the option you can able to get the many DC walls inside, right? And also we can able to modify. Fine. And I will do one more thing. So here can you able to tell me this is which type of the wall is this one? How they are saying this is 4x2 or 6x2? Which valve is this one? Hello. Boys, I'm audible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. You don't know means you just tell me you don't know. I will explain you, no problem. Okay, here I'm having how many portion? This one rectangle box is one portion. Okay. This rectangle box is another portion. How many rectangle boxes available? Yes.
Two.
How many rectangle boxes available here?
Three,
Three boxes.
two.
Two, sir.
Two.
Two,
Two,
two.
sir.
Okay.
Two.
Okay. So these two boxes they are saying that is position. Okay. So we have two position, and let's we check it on whether how many port is available. Port is nothing but way. Okay, to sending the fluid. So here I am having one port. This is second port, and this is third port. Okay. So totally three port is available. Okay. So port divided by position. Okay, that is the symbol. That is 3/2 DCV wall. Okay, 3 port and 2 position, 3 port and 2 position. So this is 3/2 DC wall. Okay, now I'm going to add some of the thing in the DCV wall. Maybe it is your lever pedal or else your push button. I want to add admins, you can able to use this kind of the symbols here. Okay, so now initially they are given there is only the symbols here. Along with that I am going to add the push button here. Okay, in the DCV ball, and also in the right hand side I want to add the some of the spring. Okay, if it is needed you can able to add the spring also. Yes, yeah, now you got it here. Fine. Okay, let's we check it on whether it is working or not first. So simulation, the same things, this arrow mark you have to fix. Yes, hope you seen the simulation now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why you guys are in very sad mood, huh?
Nothing, sir.
Okay, so this is the way to make your circuit in the AutoSim software. The software name is AutoSim. So in the today class, we discuss about the logo software as well as your AutoSim software. Okay, just take one that is what is that circuit and practice, make a connection and practice yourself. Okay, right? Selva sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. I think this is okay, right? Thank you, boys.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.